So guys, a lot of people asking one question. Sir, how we can adding for a YouTube channel subtitle option? So in a YouTube subtitle purpose, main recording option will be here. The main option for video language setting option is important. Video language setting option, where you can setting this option. Go to your YouTube Studio Editor. In this, click for setting option. In the settings, we have to check this for upload default option will be there. So just is going to move the page. So here we can go to where upload default option. In this we can go to option level advanced settings. The video language compulsory important. Here is a mandatory field. So here, what are the language you want? Set for yes and save it. Done. So how we can show you a particular title? So just you can play this video. The title will be played for customers here. So here, not required, you can stop it. Enable and stop it. So every feature will be there in the adding for subtitle option. The showing for subtitle will be here. And if you're changing for any subtitle in the particular video, just you can open the video. Any video is not showing for subtitle option. See this one. Here, subtitle will be C. Add your subtitle option will be there. Select this option. Here, add your subtitle will be there. Add your particular language. Upload your file will be here. Is a complete for manual option. Here, add the manual will be. Or else, go for back. Create the new subtitle and CC. Here, check this option. Here we can publishing for every title will be here based on the time option. Here is what are the time required. You can select and add your own subtitle option. But we are previous what we discussed auto generate option. So don't click this option. Why? Because already subtitle will be selected. How to know that particular videos? We can go this. Just we can go for refresh. When you're operating studio, it will take time sometimes to show the videos will be here. Now click for edit option here. In this subtitle will be here. Order added by video language in this option will be there. So once published, don't add the manual subtitle. If you add the video language, we can add the manual subtitle. You can change your language will be here. Option will be in this particular option. If you click this option, they go to the previous option. What we discuss here already added by the all option will be done. So clear. So once is updated, don't click for manual subtitle option in the particular YouTube channel. Once added by video language on the particular YouTube studio option, automatically will show your particular video subtitle and the every video option. So this is called, you have to wait sometimes to add the subtitle option on the particular video. After done this option, it will show will be here. This is called the particular subtitle will be shown to customers on the particular video.